Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Verizon's 5G home internet and how they're doing a price increase. So let's get into it, guys. But yeah, it looks like these news are pretty truthful. This article just came out today, and yeah, it looks like Verizon's 5G home internet is finally going up in price. Let's find out by how much, and is it still worth it, and what kind of discounts can you possibly get. So let's get into it, guys. So there's Verizon there. So it says, and this article is by cordcuttersnews.com, so check them out. So it says Verizon is increasing wireless home internet prices again. So yeah, no surprise there. This has not been the first time, of course. If you guys don't know, Verizon is the largest cell phone carrier here in the United States. So they are very well known. Everybody basically has them. I want to say everybody, but a majority of Americans use this brand. Of course, there's other carriers. There's other three more carriers, including AT&T, T-Mobile, and US Cellular, and then of course MVNOs and stuff like that. But so it looks kind of hair looking a little weird right there, but whatever. All right, so it says the company will soon charge an extra $10 for wireless home internet, according to Yahoo News. So it's going up $10. Wow. The second price increase in 2 years. Sometimes this summer, Verizon Wireless Internet will start costing $35 a month, including the autopay and paperless billing discount. So I believe before it was $25 a month if you had cell phone service. So it says other restrictions apply, including being signed up. So basically you have to be signed up with Verizon mobile plan. So you have to have cell phone service with them to get that $35 a month, including the autopay and paperless billing discount. So basically to get that discount or that price, even at $35, you need to have auto pay and paperless billing set up. It says prices for these start at $65 a month for one line, an attempt to pull customers away from cable providers who offer a landline. So basically, if you want to get on Verizon's plans, for one line, it costs $65 a month. And of course, they're trying to tag on wireless internet or home internet with that to give you a discount and stuff. So it says you must also sign up for Verizon's unlimited wireless plan. Check out everything. So basically you have to have a Verizon unlimited plan to even get this offer. You can check it out on their website. It says you'll also be able to see if you're qualified for the Affordable Connectivity Program or the ACP program, which saves you an additional $30 off your bill, one per household. So check it out. The price hike hasn't been officially announced yet, but most likely this is true with everything going up, food, gas, just inflation overall. It looks like it's finally time for Verizon to go up. So it says Verizon is scheduled to release a report tomorrow showing the company has grown its subscriber base by 256,000 during the second quarter of this year. So wow, the price increase and when to expect could be revealed at time as well. So pretty soon, most likely they might release this report and showing you that, hey, we got all these new subscribers and the price is going up $10. So you might think, hey, $10 is not much, but when it comes to trying to save money, guys, $10 a month for a year, it definitely adds up. So check that out. It says Verizon is using the price increase to offset its slowing phone subscriber growth, and that is true. Their subscriber growth is definitely slowed down quite a bit. Like I said, with them being so large, if you think about it, if you corner the market, guys, it's harder to get new customers because a lot of people already have Verizon. So, but of course, Verizon is the most expensive. So like I said, yes, they do have the most coverage in the United States, but also they're the most expensive. So a lot of people right now, especially with the economy being like this, they try to save some money. So they'll go to other carriers that offer cheaper rates, So it definitely looks like with the economy going the way it is, Verizon's definitely slowing down its growth. So the company also hopes to boost revenue for the next quarter by increasing the price. Adding in the mobile phone subscription could help Verizon snag customers away from cable providers who also offer a phone line. We're talking about like Spectrum and Comcast and all that. So it says a cable contract is much pricier than Verizon's wireless home internet and a mobile phone package. So that's true. Sometimes, guys, you're looking over $100 for some cable. People are paying for home internet and cable over like $200, which is crazy. I only have home internet, and that's just so I can make these videos and all that other stuff. So that is true. So the company also offers the benefit of having no annual contract, so you can change or cancel your plan anytime. The $35 internet package tier is offered to new customers, and again, you must have a mobile phone plan with Verizon on top of that. So wow. So basically, you have to have mobile service with them, be on an unlimited plan, and then you can get that home internet for just $35 a month. Like I said, it was $25 a month, but it looks like they're going up $10. It's not official yet, but you already know it's Verizon. Most likely, they will go up in price. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think. Just some quick news for you guys to think about. Like I said, I've used Verizon. I'm testing out AT&T right now, and you can definitely tell that Verizon has better coverage, better in buildings. So like I said, AT&T is second, but you can definitely tell, they're there. I mean, they're, like I said, they're the most priciest for a reason. So you get what you pay for with Verizon. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you want to support the channel. Check out the description below; will help a lot. So thank you, and let me know in the comments below. Do you use Verizon's home internet? Like I said, I personally don't use, but I know a lot of people that do use the T-Mobile home internet, and it's very good. So yeah, thank you guys, and have a nice day.